This smart TV was getting just 94 Mbps over Ethernet. Then I changed one tiny thing, and the speed jumped to over 500 Mbps. Same TV, same internet plan, same Ethernet cable. So, where did the extra speed come from? If you own an LG or Sony Smart TV, there's a good chance your TV has a hidden speed bottleneck, and fixing it is much easier than you think. Let's see why. Most people assume that if they pay for 300, 500, or even gigabit internet, their TV automatically gets all of that speed. But that's often not true. Many premium smart TVs, including expensive OLED and 4K models, still come with a 100 Mbps Fast Ethernet port instead of a gigabit port. That means no matter how fast your internet is, your wired connection may never go beyond about 94 to 100 Mbps. And yes, that surprises a lot of people. Here's a real example. With the built-in Ethernet port, the TV reaches around 94 Mbps. Now watch what happens. Instead of plugging the Ethernet cable into the TV, it's connected through a USB to Ethernet adapter. Run the speed test again. Now the TV reaches 300, 400, even over 500 Mbps, depending on the TV and USB port. Same internet. Huge difference. So, how is that possible? The internet wasn't slow. The TV's Ethernet hardware was. Many manufacturers use Fast Ethernet because it's cheaper, generates less heat, and is perfectly adequate for streaming services like Netflix and YouTube. For most users, 100 Mbps is enough. But the moment you want higher bandwidth, the built-in Ethernet port becomes the bottleneck. That's where the USB adapter changes everything. Instead of using the TV's built-in Ethernet controller, the TV uses the network controller inside the USB adapter. And that's what unlocks the higher speeds. The process is surprisingly simple. First, go to your TV's network settings and turn Wi-Fi off. Some TVs prefer Wi-Fi when both connections are available. Next, plug a compatible USB to Ethernet adapter into the TV. Then connect your Ethernet cable to the adapter. Most compatible TVs detect it automatically. No software, no drivers, no complicated setup. Just plug it in and test your speed. Here's the part most videos don't tell you. Not every USB to Ethernet adapter works. Different adapters use different chipsets. Some are recognized by smart TVs, others simply aren't. USB ports matter too. If your TV only has USB 2.0, you may still see speeds well above 100 Mbps. But TVs with USB 3.0 can often go much higher. That's why compatibility is just as important as the adapter itself. Always check that your TV model supports the adapter before buying. Now you might be wondering, if Netflix already works fine, why should I care? Good question. For normal streaming, 100 Mbps is usually enough. But if you stream extremely high bitrate 4K HDR movies, use Plex, play media from a NAS server, or watch services like Bravia Core, extra bandwidth can make a real difference. Users have reported more stable playback, faster loading times, less buffering, and smoother streaming during busy network hours. It's not just about getting a bigger speed test number. It's about maintaining higher quality video when the demand increases. So here's the surprising part. Your expensive smart TV may not actually be slow. It's simply limited by one small piece of hardware. And in many cases, a simple USB to Ethernet adapter can remove that limitation without replacing your TV. If you're already paying for fast internet, it's worth checking whether your TV is actually using it. If this video saved you from buying a new TV, or helped you get more from the one you already own, consider subscribing. Because sometimes, the biggest performance upgrade isn't a new device. It's discovering the hidden limitation you never knew existed.